let me review the recommendation before we go for next phase. So, to open all action phase 3 related energy compliance project scope before startup now. No, this is not given. PHSER, this is for this one, difficult. So we identify total 3 recommendations for this project and for PHSER 4. So this must be closed ASAP. The reason is we are doing the PHSER 5 also. In PHSER 5, our starting point will be PHSER 4. So we have to take this action ASAP, probably in next 2 week time, so that we do not have any major concern. So guys, yes, any point you want to highlight before we go for PHSER 5? Let me know, because we will have the lunch break at 12:30. Okay, so guys, now I will be switching over to the PHSER 5. Khalid, you are there? Khalid,
sir, one second. This regarding the recommendation, Mr. Khalid Naji. Yeah. Sir, this recommendation on the HMI, it should not be here. It cannot be closed now. We don't. We'll risk our PHSER 5 also. This is a technical item. Which can be dealt as part of the staff.
Mr. Nias, we can keep the point. We will shift it over to PHSER 5. Don't worry. All this will be shifted to PHSER 5. Okay. So we'll leave it at PHSER 5 to close. So you have sufficient time to close it. So, but
okay, let me answer Nias Bogolo. Nias, when was this discovered then? Yes.
Yeah, fact.
In fact, when? Just say when.
January.
No, it was November 24. So we are about now to enter November 25.
Sir, this
means 1 year passed.
No, 1 year.
Contractor. Yeah, no, actually, yeah.
Sir, it has already been said it's not possible to be done. We have ample number of meetings on this.
No, it is a failure. It's actually deficient design.
Sir, I'm only saying that let it not be here in this recommendation. That's all.
Then where will
It's already been